Hey guys, it's Diane. I am super excited to share this video with you. Michael and I put together a little tutorial and sort of a day in the life of me getting my eyebrows professionally shaped and groomed. I did go to a place here in Texas. The woman's name is the Brow Shaping Queen. She's absolutely amazing. So if you're in the Texas area, definitely look her up. But I wanted to take you on the journey with me to this final stage of the grow out process with my eyebrows in hopes of inspiring you. If maybe you're not happy with your eyebrows, or maybe you're not happy with something else that's going on with your body, to really figure out where you're stuck and see if you can do some things to get you where you really want to be. So I had a great time sharing this journey with you guys. My eyebrows were thin for a very long time, thanks to the styles of the 80s and the 90s, but I did finally get to the point where I could grow them out. And I do credit a lot of that to this healthy lifestyle that I'm living and the fact that I am a hormonally balanced woman even at the postmenopausal stage. So I say give it a try, you never know. I did use an eyebrow growth serum, actually it was an eyelash growth serum. I will link that below, or at least put the name of it if you guys want to do a little research on that. So I did use that in conjunction with growing them out on my own, but I do believe that there is hope if that is something that you're aspiring to do as well. So thanks for being on the journey with me. Thank you for all the love and support as I went through the awkward grow out phase. I hope you enjoy this video.
So yeah, I can see your old shape and I can see all the new growth, so that's great. And I do believe in full brows as you do, so we're on the same page there.
Cool.
So center of the nostril going straight up is where your brow should start. Corner of the nose to the corner of the eye is where your brow should end. So they are a little bit longer. What happens if you go a little bit longer is it makes your eye look droopy.
Yeah, we don't need that.
So we need to open up your eye. So by removing this little part, it's just going to open you up.
Okay.
Okay. And then tip of the nose through the center of your iris is your arch. So right now, the bulk of your brow is right here, what makes it look rounded. So obviously we're gonna trim all this. We're gonna lower this part a little bit. That way your arch sits higher. So that way we have more of a lifted look versus the round, okay? So, and they do start in the perfect spot, so that's great. So, and obviously I use this pencil just to mark the area. They're not going to be black. Another option for you for your next visit is I offer henna. And henna tints the hair too, because I do see that you have some gray areas and so some gray hairs. So the henna is going to tint the hair and the skin. So that's another great alternative for you. All right, so you can see all this, you can see that line that I drew. All of this is going to be gone. Okay. Just again to give you some of that arch. Now, between what I'm removing and what you're keeping, there is some area you can see here where you're a little bit sparse. So those are the areas that you're going to want to concentrate with this serum. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave actually a little bit more here just to kind of skip that area where you're more sparse. And then what I want you to do is I really want you to exaggerate with the serum the arch. I really want you to go over, like even if you don't have anything there, just go over. That way we can start bringing in that arch. Okay. Once we have more arch, I can start removing a little bit more here. Otherwise, you're not going to have any hair. Right. But I don't like that technique because then again, the hair sticks out straight. So I always brush up and then just trim the little tips. And on average, if you grow your brows pretty rapidly, my clients come back every 3 weeks. I would say that's average. Those that grow a lot come every 2 weeks, and then those that don't grow much come every 6 to 8. Products, these are the Brow Shaping Queen products. So we have a pomade, a highlighter, and then the brow gel. And so here you have her brow without any product, just right after shaping. And then on this side, you have the final look with the brow products on. And again, it's 3 brow products. A little bit of redness from waxing, but that will dissipate in about 24 hours. But look how beautiful her brows look. So the first step is you would grab the brow pomade, load your brush sideways. Don't dip straight in, but just load it sideways. And what we do is we create the shape. So it's already, she already has a shape. So basically we're just going on the bottom part of the eyebrow, the top of the eyebrow, and make sure we give her that arch. And then everything in between, you just blend the color. We did go a little bit lighter on her just because the contrast between her hair and her brow hair color is a little bit off, but again, we're just trying to bring it all together. The second step is the brow highlighter. So this is in a pencil, and you just put this right directly underneath the brow. And the purpose of this is to highlight the brow bone. So it gives you that pretty contrast between dark and light. And you can blend this with the flat brush, or you can use your fingers. So it makes it look super clean and crisp. And then last but not least is the brow gel. So with this one, I have a little trick because it is pretty loaded with color. So what I do is I grab a clean wand and just get a little bit of that color. And what the brow gel is going to do is it's going to tint the hair color. So if you ladies have gray hairs in your brows, this is going to tint it. It comes in 4 different shades. So we're doing the golden blonde on her. Again, just to kind of tie everything together between both colors. And it also holds the hair in place. So I have a lot of clients that do bar or yoga, they're instructors. This is a waterproof product, so they do their classes and the product stays on. So the pomade tints the skin, the brow gel tints the hair. And there you have it, her new brows.